Hey guys, thanks for letting us crash your party.
Hey, Randy, we have a situation here.
What situation?
A rat situation. We got rats in the place.
Hey guys, you made it!
Damn, this is the shit, cuz. We even got some fine bird ladies to keep us company. Hey, birdie babes, why don't you come over here and hang out with Uncle Cletus?
Come on, Cletus. We didn't come here for all that. You're scaring the birds away.
Ain't my fault. Stuck-up bitches. Shit, they scared of themselves.
Gentlemen, are you enjoying yourselves?
Well, hell, I'd be enjoying myself a lot more if I could have another drink.
Car! Go! Car!
What the
Well, gentlemen, the Bird Board of Directors has arrived.